Hello everyone, so we're here from this analyze of these games here in Sherham Masters 2025. So it means after finishing round number 4, so it means next is round number 5. So I'm sorry I got late my analyze because I'm very tired or very busy my processing in this school. So these are the problems. So after that, very busy here from this one. So it means today's round number 5. So it means these are long game 1 hour and 30 minutes from this chess clock from this round robin. So it means so these are the strongest and very determinations here from this one. So it means and also a between from Grandmaster in China Zhu Zhener versus the Grandmaster in Russia is David Baravia. So it means these are the strongest by here. So these are determinations. So let's see the the strongest by pawns or determinations by here without defense here. So it means in today's round number 5 or day 5 in this part of this video, we have analyzed here of these chess games in this round number 5 in Sherham Masters. So white plays Zhu is e4, e5 David, knight f3, knight f6 is called Petrov defense classical variation, knight c3. So it means these are knight c3. So these are the main line is also d4. D4 by determination. So d4 are there. So it means Zhu moves knight c3 and David captured this knight here. So it means captured by knights and Zhu captured by pawns. So these are the captured here. So these are the realizations here from this one and bishop to a7 without upcoming castling kingside by David. So these are determinations here from this one. Bishop e3. So it means ready by move by kings and upcoming by casting queen side without determinations. And castle king side by David, queen d2 upcoming by castling queen side, knight d7, castle queen side by Zhu, knight f6. So it means these are determinations. Or maybe without move by bishop to g4 or knight to g4, or maybe here is knight. Oh, nothing here. So it means knight to d5. So I think these are determinations here. So it means so it means bishop to g4 or maybe knight g4. So it means determinations from these controls here, from this connecting here from this one. And bishop d3 here by Zhu here, rook e8 here. So it means so these are the upcoming without upcoming by here by bishop to g4. So these are the connecting here from this move here by targets without move by Davids here from this one, and rook he1 without first rank here, bishop g4 by David. So it means these are the problems. These are the pinning by rook here without targets or threats by knights without determinations by connecting here from this one. And also c4 by Zhu. So it means determinations to realize with upcoming desire cannot move by without forward by knight to d5 here. I'm sorry, I got something I got drink my water, so it means very very drinking from this glass of water from these determinations. So let's continue. So it means c4. So it means c4 by Zhu here. And also knight d7 by David. So it means these are two need to idea to backwards to cannot move by knight d5 from this one. And bishop backwards e2, knight c5. So it means strongest move by David. That's good. So it means these are the realizations here from this one. And also h3 threatening by here, or maybe threatening by h3 here from this one. So it means that, okay, repeat, let's go back. So it means knight here, knight c5 without upcoming by here by forward by knight to a4 without threats by queens here from this one. So it means without threats. So it means let's continue. So it means h3 without threats here by bishop here, and decided bishop backwards h5 by David's here from this one. King force b1, we need to force move by Zhu, so it needs determinations. So we need to focusing by forward to left side by b1 by kings here from this one. Bishop backwards g6 by David. Oh, so it means with idea to here. So I don't know what bishop to g6 here without determinations by connecting here from this one. And also g4 without strongest move by Zhu here from this one. And also c6. So it means c6 here. So it means these are c6 here is novelty by David from these games. So these are the old mainline here. Good novelty here is also, so it means also knight to e4. So it means knight e4 here from these old mainlines from this good novelty. So it means knight, so it means knight to e4. So it means good novelty. So it means without threats by queens or determinations, or maybe without determinations here from this one. So it means knight e4 are good novelty from this one. So it means knight e4 good novelty from this old main line. So it means the new novelty is c6 here. So it means c6 by novelty by David. So it means c6 here. So queen c1. Queen c1 here without move backwards by Jushner here from this one. And knight a4 by David. So it means knight a4 here, or without upcoming next move by to bishop to f5 without threats here. Oh, threatening by pawns. So without targets, or maybe by strongest move to realize the idea to strongest to with idea to focusing by bishop to f6 by David without very strongest by David here. So it means connecting here from this one, and bishop d3 here by Jules and bishop f6. Very strongest move by David. So with the idea to capture these pawns, or maybe without knights. So it means threats by queen. Very strongest dangers by white. With the idea to here, I don't know what queens here from this one. So it means without queens. Forward by queen a5. So it means these are diagonals here from this one without determinations here from this one. So realize here to without upcoming targets by here without bishops here or determinations by controls here. But still very strongest move, or maybe dangerous by whites here. And also c3 by Zhu. Oh, so it means cannot move targets here. Queen a5. Very strongest move by David. So with the idea to captured by sacrifice. Without sacrifice here from this one, so it means without sacrifice. Sacrifice by David. So it means these are sacrifice without targets, knights, and I don't know targets. So it means knights and queens without move here from this one captured without realizations from these determinations here from this one, or very strongest move here. So it means these are determinations here from this one, and bishop takes captured, pawn takes g6, and rook takes d6 without captured here. So it means without captured, rook takes d6 here. So it means it means the puzzle. So what do you think the realized the focusing sacrifice move by here in this thinking by Grandmaster David in Russia? So while waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much and congrats for everyone. Knight takes b2 sacrifice. so it means sacrifice here. Very strongest move by David Paravian. Oh, with the strongest with idea to capture this pawn without sacrifice and without queen, without targets here. So I don't know what is this strongest by sacrifice by David here from this one. So it means very strongest move. And queen takes b2. So if you capture this king takes knight, this one, what do you think from this one? And bishop takes c3 check. Oh, without check here. So check. So these are the check here from this one. So it means without check. So if we move by king, queen takes bishop here without queen to queen. So it means these are how. So what do you think here? And queen backwards c7 avoided. So realize idea two targets here. So it means these are determinations from these examples. So back there is queen takes b2 here and also bishop takes c3 captured by sacrifice. So it means without sacrifice or maybe without doubles by queens or rook. Oh, very very dangerous by whites here. So it means because these are very strongest move by Grandmaster David. Oh, the realize to idea to thinking with David two targets by doubles, queens, and rook. So it means these are the focusing move here. So it means realizations to puzzles without mathematicians and continuations here. And also, oh, with the strongest move. And also, so it means, and also that in this one, in this beginning here. And let's continue is bishop d2 without good move by Zhu. So with idea to Zhu to capture this one. So it means without captured, so it means these are determinations without realizations or maybe without queens captured here from this one. So it means determination. So it means if we capture this one and continue by check. So I don't know what you meaning from check here from this determination. So very dangerous here from whites here from this one. And also queen c5 avoided. I don't know queen c5 here from this one. So it means without queen c5 or maybe with idea to capture threats by rooks here or maybe by pawns. Oh, very doubles here from this one. So it means these are the determinations by this one from this and also without connecting here from this one. And also queen takes c3 by Zhu and decided this one is rook takes e1, another good move by David. So it means without captured check here, rook takes e1 check and knight takes rook and also queen takes rook. Oh my god. So it means no more rook, no more I mean no more by two rooks by Rugener. So it means these are the two rooks and so it means two rooks is no more here from these two pieces from rook. So so it means these are the ideas by continuations by puzzles by chess here from this one. So it means so let's continue queen takes d6. So it means so these are 3 versus 2. So Zhu, queen, bishop, and knights here from these 3 pieces here from this one and the 2 remainings by David, queen and rooks here. So it means 3 versus 2 from this one. And also bishop e3 by Zhu, rook d8. So it means without rook d8 by David or maybe without targets without check or check by kings here from this one. These are determinations here from this focusing move here from this develop from this one. And also king b2 c5 by David. So these are the strongest move by David. So these are the determinations from this develops. And also knight f3. So it means these are knight f3 by Zhu, queen b6 check and king c2, queen a6 without threats by pawns here and develops queen b3 by Zhu. queen go back queen go back c6 by David, knight d2, and also a6. So it means a6 is and also a6 here is bad move by David. So it means bad move. So the best moves there is also b6. So it means b6 here from this one. So it means b6 are best moves here from this one. So back there is one is a6 by David, and also queen c3, b6 without doubles here, or maybe without, I don't know what this one is, threats, or maybe without push by b5 by David's here from this one. So it means without pushes here, and also f3. So it means bad move by Zhu. So the best moves there is queen to a3 without no more by queen a4 check here from this one. So it means these are the determinations, or maybe without focusing move here from this one. So it means best moves here. So back there is one is f3 here, and also b5 by David, very strongest move here from this one, and also captured queen takes. So it means queen takes b5, and also h4, another bad move by Zhu. So the best moves there is bishop takes captured. So it means bishop takes c5, and also if you move by queen a4 check, and also queen b3 here. So it means without queen to queen, if you capture this, queen takes captured, and knight takes b3. So these are the so it means these are continuations by focusing move here from this one. So back there is one is h4 by Zhu here from this one, and also good move c4. So it means great move by David here from this one, and also bishop d4, queen a4 check, and good move queen c1 by Zhu. So it means these are the or focusing move here from this one. So it means let's continue king c1. So I'm sorry, I got this problem my nose. So it means these are the problems by to sneezing or running nose. So it means I don't know thinking here. So it means let's continue from king c1. Good move by Zhu here from this one, and queen takes a2. Oh, queen takes a2 by captured here, and also h5 by Zhu. And another good move is capture this pawn, captured, and rook e8. So it means rook e8 by David without upcoming by here by check. So it means without kings here. So it means without determinations here from this one. And also knight b1. So it means bad move by Zhu. So it means question mark. So the best moves there is bishop to f2 without no more by check here by block pieces here. So it means these are determinations here from this one. So back there is knight b1, and also queen h2 without upcoming by check. So it means wrong move by David. So the best moves there is rook to b8. So it means without upcoming here by check, or maybe without behind the rook. So it means these are the doubles here from this one. So it means these are nice beautiful by evaluation bar. So it means very awesome here. So it means these are determinations here from this one. So back there is queen h2 here, and also knight d2, rook h1 check, and king b2 check, king c2, and also check. Oh, queen takes h5. Oh, sorry, I got wrong my thinking by brains here. So it means queen takes h5 by pawns here, and also queen takes captured, check, and also king d1, a5 without strongest move by David. Bishop c3, rook d8. So it means without rook d8 here, king c1. So it means king c1. So how many time control? So it means 1 minute and 5 seconds by David, and and also 1 minute and 14 seconds by Zhu Juner. So it means these are the upcoming by dying seconds here. Let's continue by rook c8 without threats by queens, queen d4, and good moves f6 by David without good move here. King b2, queen c5 without queen to queen, and Zhu accepted queen takes, rook takes, and knight b3 threats by here by rooks here, and also rook b5. So it means bad move by David. So the best moves there is rook to h5. So it means rook to h5 here. So it means we need to move here. So it means these are the focusing move here from this one. So back there is one is rook b5 here, and also king a3, good move by Zhu. So it means these are strongest moves. So it means the two pieces by Zhu is knight to bishop, and David one rook only. So it means 2 versus 1. So these are the continuations by connecting here from this development. So let's continue is king a3 here by Zhu, and also rook d5 here, and also knight d2. So it means bad move by Zhu. So it means these are knight d2 is bad move. So it means wrong move by Zhu here. So the best moves there is knight d4, not knight d2. So it means knight d4 are correct move here. So it means the knight d2 is very wrong. So it means the correct move here is knight d4 here from this one. So back there is one is knight d2 here, and rook d3, good move. So it means without threats by bishops and also threats by pawns, or maybe captured without check. So it means these are determinations here, and king b3. So it means these are defense by develops, a4 by check, king c2, and rook e3, bishop d4 with the threats by rooks here, rook e2, king d3 threats by rooks, and rook g2, bishop c5, king f7, and also knight e4, rook a2 without develops by pawns, and also knight d2 without develops here. I don't know this one, knight d2 here from this one, rook b2, and also bishop to a3. So it means without threats by rooks here, rook b8 here without upcoming by coming by here by check, or maybe without kings here without develops here from this one, and also king c4, king a6, and knight to e4 without determinations, and rook b1. So it means without move by idea by Davids here, and also bishop to f8 by Zhu without threats by pawns, king f7 without develops by pawns here, bishop to d6 here, g5 without strongest here by move here, and also f4 and g4 without pushes. So what do you think if you capture this pawns here from this one, and also bishop takes captured? So it means no more pawns by Zhu, or two pawns only by David. So it means these are the continuations, or maybe develops here from this one. So back there is one is g4 by pushes by Davids here, and also f5 by Zhu, rook f1 by Davids, and also bishop to a3, rook f4 here from this without threats by, or maybe with threats by knights here. So it means without threats, knights, and also pawns. So it means determinations here from this one. So it means rook f4 here, and also king d4 with a defense by knights. Then last shot is g3 here, and here is by resigned by Zhu. So it means these are the very strongest move by David. So it means upcoming promotes here by queen, very very promotes. So why she resigns? Because if you move by king king e3 only move here, and also decided it is also g2. without upcoming by promotes here by queens here. So it means if you king e2, because cannot enter by here, because these are the targets by rooks. Rook by here without behinds here, without rooks here, without check. So it means cannot enter. These are almost upcoming promotes here, and almost promotes by queens. So it means g1 queen. So it means lose by whites. So, oh my God, these are the problems. So we need to idea to focus to win by Grandmaster Zhu Juner from this China. So because very very strongest move by Grandmaster David Paravian in this Russia from this one, and also the winner from these black pieces round number 5, Grandmaster David Paravian in this Russia. So it means, so I hope Grandmaster Jushuner from winning from this one in this tournament here from this one. So next round number 6, I will choose from analyze to find also this one another. So I hope with this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luwagi 17, aka Ikulmar 17. Have a good day and keep safe and keep update of these next chess updates. Have a good Friday from this one. Bye.